Akim could man name out your mother, but him come and name out you. You know, it's so hard to pity them never get nothing from you like what Akim get. Make us if you change your pity them clothes. He's a germs bag. He's a germs bag. If you don't notice them two boy up on nobody. Akim come up and pose with a man vehicle and catch your Rosealee. Pose with the man vehicle and catch you. You're one of the girl them Rosealee where you know say your man a batty man and you still a grind him. You are that girl. Stop going like you're somebody. Somebody call me a cigarette feminine. Somebody call Zandrama. Somebody call Reedy. Somebody call Reedy feminine. Somebody go over there go call me a cigarette, Zandrama, Reedy, and the whole of them. You see how life unfair? Rosealee come up because Akim hurt her and she accused Jakes of many things. Many things. And when we did talk about it, Jakes never jump up on him live because of money and class me. You notice that Rosealee not say nothing? Eh? You notice that she not say nothing? So I don't understand why mother them not come out come talk now. So much for standing up for the kids. So much for standing up for the kids. Where are the mothers? When you hear what Rosealee say about Jakes? When they believe nothing? When they believe nothing? Rosealee with prison people. That's why I can't wait for Nessa Purple. Nessa, what's your name? Nessa something. Work pan her nastiness. Yeah man, you always try sentence people. Go sentence Akim. Them come here and before going to the argument. What are we Rosealee people them fly down? We claim to say them fly down for your birthday. What are we the whole of them favor Annie picnic them were mature? Them favor like them mature to Annie home. For sure. What are we the people them dirty? Jesus have mercy. Me don't care what nobody wanna say. The people them dirty. Show me your company, me tell you who you be. The music. Oh. Show me your company.
Remember.
And a nurse yard this. This is not nurse yard. You have a right here. What? I say the people them will come down if you pay a wheelchair walking stick and cane. I say them dirty. Pay a senior citizen. I pay a walk and rock. For sure. I pay a rock and come in. I say them look dirty. And that's about, yeah, you fly down. They know which part of foreign you come from now, my love, because me there and I want to ask, I want to go over there go visit. Which part of foreign you come from? They don't save up on the tax return for come down for Rosealee.
Tax return, I'll loan them go take out.
I'll loan them take out for sure. And the woman were bad. But me don't understand. Be a old foot. It's a senior party. Me curious. Buy curious. Sell curious. I should put on the gloves, you know.
I told you.
And open curious. A senior party Rosealee I keep. Then Rosealee older than what she really I tell you.
How much?
About 2 bills.
I get up a little man at 3 bills that gotta wait and look like 2 bills.
Well, me say pay old people. Me have to say, whoa. So all I know Rosealee now address Akim. All I know. Yeah. I want to play to see. Yeah. Jakes call them old clothes. It's true. Jakes call them old clothes. But now like Rosealee, them for stay. I feel like I want to go to a party with a case of Ensure. Which one? You have nothing. Pull this to me now. And towel it inside. I'm gonna go for
Use this. Come here.
I say them look really vintage. I might say Ken boot at the party too.
What is that?
And you can start time. You hear all of the accusations them we should call on Jake's people. You hear all the accusations we should call on the man. All of them. So Rosealee, come here. You feel so when you talk that about Jakes, about your kids, it simply means the reason why Jakes can do that. So Shanta is not for Jakes. Alright, fine, we get that part out of the way then. So you see all of that and you still have him on the picnic them. And now when vexation come, you attack. What kind of mother are you? What kind of mom are you? Me not ask you. Rosealee, for God jail for that. You're an enabler. I wonder why your daughter ate you. I soon come back to you. This spicy and nice. I look spicy. Yeah. That's why your daughter don't call. Your daughter can't wait for Nessa prison, you know. Me not ask you something me say. Shanta can't wait for Nessa prison, you. For sure. Have one set of hypocrite upon the app. The older one are hypocrite. That one upon the app are hypocrite.
Hey!
Make sure I eat up pure seafood.
Wait though.
Give me collagen in my veggie. Make the muscles tighter and igniter and parasiter. Yeah. I just feel say the all of them with on the app is a set of wicked dirty drunk bro.
They
Yeah, all of them. All of them breeding season are gonna make. Yeah. Yeah. Me not tell no lie, people. Rosealee for them for penalize her feet. See there watch it, but choose Hakim this hour there. She turn pan Jake. Hakim tell Slutty for cuss out Rosealee nastiness.
You know say?
Them should expect that. Remember, the people say them are batty people. What do you expect? Them have no shame? Rim no diamond from fair use her rather.
But them a make money. Oh yeah, you know drive go get a regular.
Them not make the money.
Yeah.
Them trick you.
Ask on to them breasting.
Yeah.
You don't go drive go buy a regular toothbrush?
Went for buy a rag and toothbrush. You know see a bush the boy used to go in now.
Jesus. A mouth and body stuff.
Them not have no money. I must have dropped them over there. And I drop him, remember them talk about stress. He's not well, he's mental, he's not a craven here.
A wappy.
It's true. Yeah. They must say a long time cartel na call to her because she did in a shitty situation. Okay. Shitty situation. Yeah, shitty situation. A DYEMA do everything. And him say would I never this DYEMA. You see how you can't trust them. A centipede that in the tree.
Then look like you did it ever.
Yeah. Me that never this. I know him say him not this Barney. Figure it out, it's just a girl. I saw batty people stay. Yeah. Ladies, stop what like you know my whereabouts about me in a Yonkers.
What?
Stop what like you know my whereabouts. Stop what like you know foreign and Donald Trump look fair. Remember you and Ice no agree? You come with me in a Yonkers. Remember you and Ice no agree? Purple, don't block purple something. What you mean my bias? What you mean my bias? Bias in a dirty argument, bias in a dirty war, bias in a hungry belly people affair. Oh, you mean my bias? Some of you don't know for chat say. Number one, from a command, me not say nothing bad. Rosealee people, them look old and dirty like a any children. Them mature in a dark shit and garbage pan. Oh, you mean nobody we say them a got Rosealee party no look good. Everybody look dirty and look like them old bills. Me not ask you. But you say no. What you mean? Where you get by yourself? So come now. How we a reason? Where you get by yourself? So not about she sir. Oh, about DYEMA. DYEMA. I'm not biased with DYEMA, but. They must figure it out, mouth stink. It's not the first she attack it. It's not the first she attack it, my baby. For me, see figure it out, them have to live under filter because them look cheesy. Me not ask you when she come visit me to how she live under filter. When she come visit me, she sweat like a jag. Me not ask you. Them can't keep up, them can't keep down them perspiration. Them no look so. Them no look so. Me no know where you are trying to tell me, say. Una tell lie because una take what the media show. Una no know them. Una no know them. No boy we could have come out of bush. We live in a bush with man. Could have never come pan this and prank me. Your mother? Set your hand go now. That's what you said. Oh. In the glass of this one. DYEMA come and talk. When we tell DYEMA, say DYEMA, you don't need to do this. So she repeat it then. You don't need to have them dirty people here use you. Me don't know how you support termites. Cause a tag, you know some prayer? Yeah. Rosealee I try use Jake Seller party. And that she I try though. Thank you for the F1. I'm tell you say the people them and me say me eat some of them on the app. All of them. Me eat them. And the app them are wicked and dirt. Then what we should talk about Jakes and Jakes come out. You play it?
Oh, sit down.
Play it for me, do just play it. Thank you for F1.
Blood clot. See me come out and attack me and watch a John Crow.
Hear this.
Mr. Man come up with him cocky stiff. So I say, oh, your cocky stand up, so. I want peace. Me say you want what? You want peace? You would stand up, sir? I win in the house just to pitney them. So I say, and I'm like, what? And another time, I'm getting me in the toilet, I do though.
I'm multiple.
I want him wiping button and come out. Him underpants half jar down. One of the underpants, the underpants upon 1 foot and come out with him khaki.
Alright, come here. Oh, you know, same wiping bottom.
Mr. Jakes, they can't come out the two of them today, so what you do? You can't do that. You say that today, so what you do? Pussy me, I watch you. Me, I watch you keenly. Me, I talk it publicly. Me, I watch you cleanly. Pussy, me, I watch you. Come in, done with you there, me, I watch you. Come in, you have some little pervert style, but you, me, I watch your pussy wall. So no matter what you're a good blood clot father, like them know you're from somewhere. Me, I watch you. Huh? Try to remember the party tomorrow.
There's a share use Jake to sell the party.
Me, I watch you.
You and Akin could have never get my money.
I'm notice enter you have the little girl go to school, you show the whole her body, you show the whole her shape. You have video from back where you show her body, her bumper, everything. You're a pervert. He's a pervert.
He's a baby father.
She's a child.
It's his daughter.
You notice when you have blood clot, show the whole her body, her shape, everything.
No, today I do it. While
Her
you were
body,
with
her
him.
walk, that's your show. Fix your camera good.
No.
And for you to come on the internet and expose that you're 11 years in her period is a fucking pervert.
It's not.
And
That
that's
is
supposed
not.
to be
That
secret
is,
confidence, a woman
that is not
business. That.
pervertish. No. No.
And you come telling it yesterday.
It's
you
a-
tell Jabas and Jaden
Positive.
and blood clot.
It's a disgrace that the father have to be there for the child, for the daughter to see her first. It's a disgrace. Shantana belongs to Jakes. Shanta is not Jake's picnic. Shanta is not Jake's child. The older one walk and buy for funky story. all of una on the net. Una just avail on yourself to be deceived. Me not look for una a long time me talk this. A long time Rosealee want talk this about Jakes. But she never want talk it within the time when me talk it because she don't want it seem like it's a confirmation. So come here now people. How you work out all of this? Because remember me a liar. With Zandra and Macy Gray, Reedy and the whole of them with the gang up on me, Sky Diamond, with them there. Where I'm there. With them there, because I don't remember. Like them, they don't want me to change my speech. Oh, you know, none of them now come up. And I said this. Oh, you know, none of them not talk. Rosealee do all of this to take the narrative off of the shame where Akeem shame her. And Una run into it. We don't want to hear that. We want to hear about the 49 chances where Akeem have leave. Why not use up some of them before July? Why not use up some of them before July? The reason why Rosealee cannot say anything is because Akeem would beat her. She have to just cuss according to how Akeem give her to cuss. You know? If Slutty never exposed Akeem would have boxed down Rosealee. Rosealee would not trace Slutty. Me not ask you enough gifter Akeem boxed down Rosealee for enough gifters. What should this? Now ask you. Look what the girl I do you. I not play fair. Me still ask for the child's advocate with them on the internet. Where them there? Or them quiet so towards Rosealee saying these things about Jakes. Oh, them quiet. So as a mother, it's your responsibility. Not care for the father. It's your responsibility to ensure that the children them grow in a safe environment. You put Akeem in a gated community and put your picnic them outside. Them not talk that. And them something me want talk. Me can't talk who at from who not. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Me can't talk who win the warrior and who no win the warrior. What me I talk about is this. Or you put Akeem in a gated community and CDA have your picnic them a box them like Venus and Serena. Before your class, Jakes, explain that to me. The coach said Jakes have a house. He might fix it up as soon as him put in the window. Him can get the kids them and put in the roof. Him can get the kids them a data mad yo. Yeah. A data you're too big and careless. Me tell people say he's a mad girl and them don't believe me. Tell them say he's a mad girl and them don't believe me. This big head wide head boy, him head wide like the cap we him wear. Him favor the post on the craven box. This boy, and you have him a turn in a class clown and you know in a school. And you pick them a wonder, who is my mom? Not where, who? Yeah, you see Jakes is a little dirty man too. Anything where Rosealee do Jakes him forget it. Me not ask you. Jakes move slow upon Rosealee when it comes to enough things. You understand me? And she now go easy upon him. Jakes is not a idiot. Jakes a look back Rosealee. Trust and believe. Jakes a look back Rosealee. Jakes want Rosealee money, want Cheryl money and everybody money. We're not dirty people. We all are not dirty people. Me don't know how me for sit down and support Rosealee. Big dirty nasty Rosealee. Me don't know how me for sit down and support peanut vendor. Me don't know if me could have do that. The man in the body. Who that?
Look on her.
She's no man gorge.
Oh.
And the back way that.
Oh.
Me not tell no lie. Me not tell no lie, Rosealee. Them for shot you with shit. Yeah? You're not a body. You and Akeem is nobody who has some hungry belly dog. Akeem move like a batty boy. Me not ask nobody no question. He move like a batty boy. Akeem could have name out him mother. But him come and name out you. You know, it's so hard. You people them never get nothing from you like what Akeem get. And me cuss if I change your pitney them clothes. Me cuss if I change your pitney them clothes. He's a germs bag. He's a germs bag. If you don't notice them two boy up on nobody. I can come up and pose with the man vehicle and catch you, Rosealee. Pose with the man vehicle and catch you. Pose with the man vehicle and catch you. You're one of the girl them, Rosealee, where you know say your man a batty man and you still a grind him. You are that girl. Stop going like you're somebody. So DYEMA and figure it out. You know long more and DYEMA chat. You know long more and DYEMA bust it up and figure it out. You know long more and DYEMA bust it.
That's
You know how long una go like una portion of smaddy.
nice.
You know how long? You know long more and DYEMA come in. A long time one DYEMA enter the chat. Figure it out mouth stink.
If live, you know.
I don't know why I'm
So
beard.
watch your way I say.
Yeah. But I'm telling you, say figure it out a wicked and the whole of not talk about nah. Remember when I say figure it out is wicked. Never you trust nothing from a man may take man like that openly. Never. Yeah. You can see them boy they take man and them can't tell you anything. Them can't tell you nothing. Nothing what them say. The two of them are the same. The two of them are the same. The two of them are the same. You know, let me tell you, say figure it out, Vex, because him friend Marvin I take the cake. I'm like, I'm not understand. I can never talk to someone or sometime. Them Vex, them hate them one another. So Zoe no must have STI, STD. She no drop out of Annie no have STI, STD na gum. Then you could have look at Annie pick them and think say the whole of them fully immunized and them cure and them a go through. Talk truth. Even them sweat can affect you. Even them perspiration, if you stand up beside them, it can affect you. You never know. So you can really look upon them and them look like say them want a jug of water for drink at the time. Them want purge, them look like them stain from the inside. Stain.
I did not feed them right.
Yeah. You never know. I saw Rosealee people them look we fly down for your birthday. Them look like Annie picnic them. I say when I see the whole heap of old people and dirty people, me like when they are foreign now, them can't tell me which part of foreign them come from. Come on, go they go develop there. Them come like them have the AC and them never experience winter yet. It's true. I say the whole of them favor African ball. And Rosealee sitting in one corner like she a eagle, like she sell crab. You know, the whole of them come down for me. The whole of them sip on the whole of them like them sell out a back market. I know this is a prank. And which flight them come from? Not even farm worker look like them. Not even the people them who go Canada go pick orange and apple and beer around them down for crab them. Not even them look. Me say the people them greasy. You me know Black Opal put out different product. Me could help it. Me say what this? Me say the whole of them favor Return of the Living Dead, Resident Evil, Tales from the Crypt, X-File. It's true. Me not ask when it's just the truth. Them look dirty, then Ivani want pizza. June, Ivani, keep carrying ice to the pool. Me like what you take care of your baby, yeah, make him experience things. No come in at this, take July, Ivani. No come in at June. I just the other day, you know, I make preparation over gigabytes. So me not understand. Ivani, we used to you now. We know say this did go come. We know, but we never know Akeem did go chat Rosealee with Slutty. We never know that part then. Yeah, a DYEMA alone can figure it out now. DYEMA, not you, Ivani. DYEMA, take it from me. DYEMA alone. When can do for Ivani and share out? She never put on the rent first. Leon want . Yeah. So me not understand. We don't want you in a June. You give it to DYEMA. So DYEMA come here. Where you say you did in a shitty situation.
Let's go no man.
So the other day when you did on the live with Jaden did want you bust it up in a DYEMA because you know what funny? Me don't know how them do it, you know. You know me could sit down with them and them a call me batty man. Me couldn't do it. Figure it out desperate. Him no want to go back in the bush with the boy, you know. Him no want to go back in the bush with the boy where him grow with. DYEMA, let me tell you what you for do when you come out and you attack. Let me tell you what you for do. Say, yeah, me did want a madman. Me did want a boy where living in the bush. Me did want him. Me now go tell no lie. And all when I find out me did still want him. What was I doing to myself? I was a fool. I mean now go tell no lie. My brain did in my hole, which it should be. But let me tell you this, I'm glad him deny my crutches. Because look how him could have shit up my hole. Look how me have to draw my clit and it go like toilet. Eh? Yes, don't make nobody ever say to you, DYEMA say. But you did that look, of course you did that look him. And now you can't talk and you're glad him save because your sister the boy and you're like, punani. Punani. Yeah. I'm glad you come out and talk about him at the dirty wine with Jaden them. You know, the boy want thief your talent, DYEMA, them come for suck you dry, you know. Me did tell you, say them come for suck you dry, but you never did listen to me. Why? DYEMA, I'm not 18 of them 80 where you wash and cook and clean for. I'm not 18. At them 80, I'm tell you this every day, you go show them your talent. And you know them love the pig people. Talk to me like lovers do. I know you for bust it on the whole of them. Yeah, so I realize with them, it's anytime you come on the live, people start come over, yes, so here with them do them have them people for report my live every time I come on. And when I tell you say from Jaden, Jabas, no, take out Jabas from Jaden, figure it out, the whole of them I do that. Let me tell you that. Not easy for them today. I sit down upon them know me determined, I'm full of tenacity.